Greetings, my name is Jason Muniz, and I'm here with the UC Berkeley History Social Science Project, showing you the Model Independent Study Unit. This is the unit map page that contains all the different aspects of the civil rights unit that we've developed. Again, this can be a model for something that you want to develop yourself. Let me go ahead and give you a little bit more specifics. I'm going to go ahead and look at lesson 3 of our civil rights unit to give you an idea of what these specific lesson guides look like, because that's what you'll be interacting with most. Each lesson guide describes the content, unit-focused question, historical thinking skills, and the lesson-focused question that the students will be engaging with and you'll be teaching. These guide pages also include different packets that can be printed out as assignments for students. Let me give you a look at one of those packets right now. The packets all fit a similar sort of protocol where you see all of them will look the same or similar to this. The content of the package is, of course, different, and that's something that should be flexible for you, the teacher. If you wanted to change them, adjust them, just make copies. We also have templates for you to use as well. So that's a cover page. Typically, the second page is assignment directions, making sure the students have completed this checklist is the object. So they'll look at what was in the previous packets and what's coming up for them to complete in this particular packet. There's a reading analysis, a visual analysis, where they're looking at some photographs and responding to the images on those charts, and typically a writing assignment that goes with it, and typically a video assignment. Again, this is something that they need to have access to a computer to be able to watch, or you need to share that video with them by other means, perhaps projecting it in class if that's your instructional environment. Questions also go with those assignments. Now, that's what the students could have facing them if you wanted to print it out. You can also do those assignments one-off and just print out just one particular assignment if you don't want to give them the entire packet. However, if your intention is to teach the students digitally, by distance learning, what you might want to do then is go up to this link that's always on these guide pages that says Digital Assignment and Grading page, and it'll take you to a page that looks like this, where the assignments that were provided on that guide are provided as well, except this time what the students are going to see is not a handout, but links that will take them specifically to a digital version, a Google Form version of those same assignments. So right now I'm going to go ahead and click on the one that we were looking at just a moment ago. And you can see that the setup of those particular assignments is actually identical, except that it's just being done in a digital environment. So they put their name, that background information is still there, and the students would engage with the assignments just as they would on paper, except they'll be typing in their responses that they typically would have written down on the page. In case there's a little bit of confusion for students, we also have a little link here that says here's how. So if the students are looking at this actual page, you might need just to share this page with them. And if they're confused about what their assignment is, they can always click on one of these here's how links and a brief video will start. That is Phyllis Goldsmith, my partner, who goes ahead and gives you a little bit of a description about how to complete those assignments.
We are now going to examine a piece of text.
Just like that.
Cool.
All right. At the end of each unit assignment, there's of course going to be a writing prompt. Again, that is also a digital version for that as well. There's instructions there that they want to follow. And if you want to collect the students' responses to any digital assignment, just go into this particular guiding page, the lesson guide page, and you'll see links that say responses. If you click that, it actually takes you to a spreadsheet that collects all of the student responses. So that's a basic way to look around to see how this unit map goes and how the assignment and guides go. If you have any questions about that, feel free to contact myself, Jason Muniz, or Phyllis Goldsmith. These are our email addresses right here. And best of luck.